Hey guys, welcome back. This is Mustafa Nasser once more, and you are watching Arabic for Nuns. In this video, I will aggregate very important tips and tricks to help you in pronunciation. First, I'm going to start talking about the pattern of soft and hard. As I mentioned previously, some letters in Arabic have the same pronunciation of other letters, but a little stronger. So, both of them have the same pronunciation, but the difference is the hardness of the sound. I used to call it the pattern of soft and hard. Today, I will give you some exercises that will help you differentiate between both of them. Second, I will talk about a very important topic in Arabic, which is the throat sounds. They are very close to each other in pronunciation, and you need to know the differences between them. And finally, I will talk about the tongue sounds. Now, we will begin, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and join our Facebook group from the link in the video description. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the pattern of soft and hard. Many letters, as we explained before, contains this opposition between the hard and soft. I will start by talking about these two couples, te versus ta and ke versus qa. The reason why I'm talking about these two specifically because we're using the same technique for each couple of these two. The best way to differentiate between the soft and hard sound in these two couples is by adding hamza to each one. You remember hamza? It gives out the sound e. So whenever we add it to the first one, te, it becomes te, ta, ke, qa. Now look at my mouth and see the difference. I want you to practice with me. Te, ta, te, ta, te, ta. Now I'll repeat them many times. Te, 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 te. Ta, 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 ta. We can even switch between them. Te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, te, ta, 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 ta. Ke, qa, ke, qa, ke, qa, ke, 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 qa, 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 ke, qa, ke, qa, ke, qa. Okay, I want now to give you two words that contains the soft and hard patterns that we explained. The first one, taraka. As you can see, it contains the two soft sounds of these two couples, while the second one, taraqa, it contains the two hard sounds. Now, I want you to notice how the soft sounds are influencing the overall sound of the word. Look at my mouth. Taraka, taraqa, taraka, taraqa, te, ra, ke, ta, ra, ha. See how the soft sounds in the first word are giving the word an overall soft sound. Taraka, taraka. However, the hard sounds in the second word are giving the word an overall hard sound. Taraqa, taraqa, taraka, taraqa. Now, moving to the third couple, we have se and sa. Obviously, the soft one is se, and sa is the hard one. The best way to distinguish the difference between them is by stretching the sound. Look at my mouth. Se, sa. Now we will stretch the sound. Se, Saw. We can even switch between them. I will use these two words to distinguish between the sounds. Saif means a sword and Saif means summer. Saif, Saif, Se, Saif, Saw, Saif, Saif, Saif. The last couple we have now in this part is the opposition between de and la. The first one, de, is the soft, and this one is normal D sound in English, de. And the second one we already explained the way of pronouncing it. By using the sides of your tongue and let it hit the upper teeth of the mouth, la. Now I will use only one word that contains both of the sounds, and moreover they're adjacent to each other in this word, منضدة, which means a table. So many beginners might let one sound to overcome the other by pronouncing both of them as soft pattern, like this, منضدة. This is wrong. And some also go to the other extreme by pronouncing both of them as hard pattern, منضدة. This is also wrong. The secret here is to shape your mouth accordingly. The first one to come is letter da. This is the hard pattern. It needs to round the lips, da. And the second one to come is the soft pattern, which requires to smile, stretching the lips, de. So first, I will round my lips, da, and then I will stretch them, de. Look at my mouth now and concentrate. De, da, منضدة, 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 ضاد ضاد ضده 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 منضده منضده ضاد منضده. Now we will talk about the throat sounds. They are 6 in number. Let's now take an overview of the throat, and then we will talk about each couple differently. The throat sounds are 6 in number. They are a or hamza, ha, ha, a, kha, and gha. All of them are produced from the throat area, and many non-natives used to mix some of them in pronunciation. Today, we will learn how to differentiate between them and how to realize their differences. If we look at the throat, we will see it's divided into 3 main areas. The upper throat, this is the deepest point of the throat, approximately at the crag. Then the middle throat, which is a little up the crag. And finally, the lower throat. It is the beginning of the throat at the end of the mouth cavity, approximately at the glottis. By looking at these 6 letters, we discover that they're equally distributed throughout the entire throat. Letters A and H are produced from the upper throat. Letters H and A are produced from the middle throat, and letters Kha and Gha are coming out from the lower throat. Okay, I will start from the deepest point at the upper throat with letters and he. So these two sounds are easy to distinguish. The first one, but here, what we consider to be one of the throat sounds are the hamza, not a sound. The hamza, which is okay? And the second one is he. This is normal H sound in English. So try to hold your hand here and repeat the sound. You will feel a little disturb here at the crake as the sound comes out from this spot. And the second one also, he. You will feel also a disturb. Okay, now moving to the middle throat. We got two sounds, he and I. He, we already gave an analogy of this sound. He. And the second one, I. The best way to differentiate between them is by adding a before the sound. Look at my mouth now. He. I. Now I will add a sound to each one. He. I. he. حمل. عمل. حمل. عمل. حمل. عمل. I want to stop here with a very serious issue. Many non-natives used to confuse between these two sounds, he and he. As we explained, the first one, he, is coming out from the upper throat, while the second one, he, is coming out from the middle throat. So practically, they have different exit points. However, many non-natives used to confuse between them. We can obviously see this confusion in the most popular name in Arabic, Muhammad. Many non-natives used to spell it as Muhammad with H sound instead of ha sound. But you better know the differentiation between them. Look at my mouth now. He. Let's add a sound to each one. He. هرب. 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 The last couple in throat sounds are kha and gha, and they are coming out from the lower throat. Gha is like the sound you make whenever you put some water around your throat and start moving them around, while kha is the snoring sound. Look now at my mouth and practice with me. Kha, kha, gha, gha. خواب. غاب. خواب. غاب. خا. غا. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the last part in pronunciation tips, the tongue sounds. What I mean by tongue sounds are the sounds that require the tongue to come out of the mouth whenever you pronounce them. And there are only 3 tongue sounds in Arabic, the, and the. We already differentiate between the first two, the and the. The is the unvoiced th English sound, like in thank you, while the is the voiced TH English sound, like father. These two are easy to distinguish. Now let's move to the second couple. The versus the. The. Here we can feel again the pattern of soft and hard. The first one is soft, they, while the second one, the. Look now at my mouth. The. The. نذر ظ نظر نذر نظر ن ذ را ن ظ را نذر نظر. I want to speak about a fourth letter which is not among the tongue sounds, which is Z. This one is not a tongue sound, but it has similarity with this letter from the tongue sounds, the. So the, we bring the tongue out, Z, we never bring the tongue. This is the only difference between them. The, Z. The, Z. I hope this video was interesting. If you still have any question or confusion, ask me questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our Facebook group from the link in the video description. See you!